I'm a loser. He or she left me. No one likes me. No one respects me. No one recognizes me. My life is over. I should die and all the problems will be ultimately solved. These are some mundane thoughts that pop up in every individual mind who attempt to suicide or commit suicide. I want to give you a relatable example, ladies and gentlemen. As you know, locks are never manufactured without a key. Similar, God never gives you a problem without a solution. When you kill yourself, just you don't kill yourself. You kill your loved ones. You kill your near and dear ones. You kill your desires related to them. Time is the biggest player. It heals and changes everything. Whatever your situation is, whatever your condition is, time will never stay the same. मैं मरना चाहता था। सच कहूं तो मुझे जीने का मन नहीं करता था। हर रात तकिए से लिपट कर खुद से ही पूछता था, क्या सच में कोई ऐसा है जो मुझे समझता है? क्योंकि मैं थक चुका था अपने आंसुओं को छिपाते छिपाते। मैं थक चुका था झूठी मुस्कान मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते। उस रात जब मैं अपने जीवन से रिश्ता तोड़ने चला था, माँ की आवाज आई, बेटा खाना खा लेना, ठंड लग जाएगी। माँ की उस आवाज ने उस रात मुझे बचा लिया। अब सोचता हूं, अगर उस रात मैंने अपने जीवन से रिश्ता तोड़ दिया होता, माँ की आवाज आज किसे पुकारती? पापा की आंखें किस दरवाजे को देखती? बहन की राखी किस कलाई पर बनती? So heartwarming, Mr. Abdullah sir, encouraging and signing judges, jury members, special guests, and all faculty member of Happiness Institute, and the most importantly, attendees. I feel superb, thrilled, and goosebumps to be here among intellectuals. My name is Mandeep, and today I'm going to talk about something special. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, there is a newspaper in my hand. Article says that students committed suicide due to getting failed in matriculation exam. Wife committed suicide due to husband. Husband committed suicide due to wife. Employees committed suicide due to boss. And boss committed suicide due to employees. What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? What's happening? I want to ask a question. What's happening? Stop it. Stop it. The person who wants to commit suicide, they think like this. My life sucks. I'm a loser. He or she left me. No one likes me. No one respects me. No one recognizes me. My life is over. I should die and all the problems will be ultimately solved. These are some mundane thoughts that pop up in every individual mind who attempt to suicide or commit suicide. But wait. Before attempting for suicide, let's have a close glance. Its positive and negative aspects. If you have got a serious problem and you can't take it anymore, you decide to finish yourself and finish the problem. But do you think the problem really ends there? You will be dead and so will your issues. But what about your loved ones? What about your near and dear ones? What about your feelings? Have you ever thought? Your suicidal attempt not only proves you as a coward, but also a selfish person. You are so coward that you don't have the guts to face your issues and troubles. You are so selfish that for your betterment and solution, you could skip your life, not even caring about your parents and loved ones for once. Remember, my dear friends, when you kill yourself, just you don't kill yourself. You kill your loved ones. You kill your near and dear ones. You kill your desires related to them. However, suicide is a temporary solution to your problems at the cost of your life permanently. But there are some positive and permanent solutions to that you need to look out for. Every problem has its solution. Whatever the problems are, be it personal or social, every problem can be solved for sure. All you need is patience, daring, and trust on yourself. It's your responsibility to make it large by overcoming every hardness and issues that comes to your end. This will make you a real fighter, not a quitter. My dear friends, things will change gradually. Time is the biggest player. It heals and changes everything. Whatever your situation is, whatever your condition is, time will never stay the same. Like, after every dark night comes a bright day. Similar, after every problem comes a solution. I want to give you a relatable example, ladies and gentlemen. As you know, locks are never manufactured without a key. Similar, God never gives you a problem without a solution. You have never seen the future. You might have reached to age of your sufferings and will think that there is no way out. But 99% rule says that future can't be predicted with 100% certainty. So what you need to? You need to just wait and go with the flow. You will ultimately realize that things are getting changed and getting better. My dear friends, death is not a permanent solution. Life is one. There is no turning back. Just imagine, after your death, you come to know that your issue has been solved by any other means and your suicidal attempt is gone waste. At that moment, you will be sitting beside your dead body and you will be looking at your loved ones while crying, sobbing, shouting. At that moment, neither you could go back, neither could make the clock go back. Just you can regret. You can regret. But ladies and gentlemen, I want to ask a question. What's the value of regretting? Can you tell me? What's the value of regretting? That's why I want to make you understand. It's better to confront than to repent being a helpless soul. Death is not a permanent solution. Just I want to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, you're so fed up that you committed suicide. But your problem might have stopped chasing you. It will find its new victim and there goes the chain reaction of societal attempts. So what's the value of killing yourself? What's the value of killing yourself? But if you would have faced it, solved it, you might have been a role model or example to encourage and influence others in troubles. Ladies and gentlemen, just don't think about only yourself. Because committing suicide is a crime for which you will be punishing yourself at every moment. At every moment. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, analyze your problem at 360 degrees and think logically, not emotionally. Live your life like a real and bold person. Remember, my dear friends, always keep one thing in your mind. There is always a second option and find out and seek for help. So you have been a great audience today. Thank you so much for your kind attention.